Well, so far my experience has been, well, I came to GPS because I had an extraordinary amount of tax debt, combined with personal loan and some credit card loans or credit card, you know, uh, fees. And basically, I just felt like I was drowning, and I came to GPS to try and kind of corral the chaos. And my experience has been incredible so far. It's been probably the most life-changing thing I've done, in terms of really getting a hold of, really understanding my finances. It's one thing to read a book about how you can do something and the right way to do something. But unless you have a practical application applied to your life, I feel like there are just a myriad of ways in which that can crash and burn. And has really helped me. GPS has just really helped me understand how to handle my situation. And it does apply more globally to all other parts of my life. I'm a small business owner, and I now understand much better how to apply reasonable, actionable things to make my business better. But I would say it's been the hands-on, personalized approach from GPS that's been really life-changing.